In this video, we will discuss 6 of the best mountain bikes on the market. A proper mountain bike can get you over the moon thanks to the thrill across the countryside, difficult terrain, and the tricky single tracks. You can expect unfathomable fun. But you can only enjoy your mountain bike if it meets your requirements. Otherwise, even if the bike was a high-ranking model, without being a proper fit, it won't be useful to you. In that context, your best bet offers the right size, perfect for your stature. It's super important to have a lightweight bike. In addition, high-quality components matter. From the drivetrains to braking systems to the wheels and tires, every aspect has to be a sure deal. Whether it's an entry-level mountain bike or a high-end model, be sure you can trust it. This video guide documents some 6 top mountain bikes that will probably fulfill your purpose. Follow on. As always, all the links to the recommended mountain bikes have been included in the description below. If you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Let us get started. Number 1. Schwinn S29 Men's Mountain Bike. You want to get going over the bumpy tracks in the countryside? You can't go wrong with this dual suspension framed mountain bike, the Schwinn S29 Men's Mountain Bike. Schwinn S29 comes built with both front and rear shocks, which take in all forms of roughness on the go. It offers an 18-inch aluminum frame that is lightweight, hence perfect for a breezy climbing experience. The double suspension and lightweight frame combine to give the rider their ultimate joy on the trail. Importantly also, you have an industry-standard drivetrain with dedicated 21-speed trigger shifters. These shifters make Schwinn S29 easy to ride and control on the single tracks, because changing from one gear to another is a breeze and smooth. The mountain bike is outfitted with thick 29-inch wheels and 2.1-inch wide tires. The wheels and tires provide great stability and balance. The included mechanical disc brakes offer unrivaled stopping power. You can be sure of making instant stops even at high speed. Given that Schwinn provides a lifetime warranty on this bike, you won't be disappointed climbing and going descents on it. Pros include lifetime warranty, dual suspension for great comfort, and it's a lightweight frame. Its cons are rear suspension is unlockable, complaints about uncomfortable saddle. Overall, the Schwinn S29 is basically a nice hardtail bike with great components for your efficient riding. Number 2. Mongoose Impasse 29er Men's Mountain Bike. Another trail monster features the Mongoose Impasse Men's Mountain Bike. Mongoose Impasse 29er boasts an 18-inch aluminum frame with dual full suspension. It is pretty sturdy but a bit heavy. The bike is generally a decent acquisition. It is a rugged wanderer that takes on a variety of trails including the dirt and gravel roads, hardcore paths, jumps, and roots and rocks among many other tricky navigations. Mongoose Impasse 29er offers 21 speeds which you can readily and smoothly adjust as you find befitting. Hence, its performance is undoubted right from the start. You will love the inclusion of the front and rear disc brakes. They are constructed to last long and provide excellent stopping power under difficult circumstances. What's more, the bike is clean with few cables running through it. It comes with extra large wheels which are 29 inches and tires for stable and properly balanced riding. Its pros include great wheel stability, affordable buy. It has a quick release front tire. Its cons are lackluster dual full suspension, and it's a bit heavy for some starters. Overall, it comes as a perfect bike for beginner and mid-level riders. It's one of the best mountain bikes under $1,000 you don't want to overlook. Number 3. Diamondback Bicycles Release Full Suspension Mountain Bike. Our number 3 features the Diamondback Release 2 version mountain bike. If you want something that gives you a bunch of premium features on the go, it's quite hard to bypass this particular model. The bike is constructed for taller guys, over 6 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 6 inches, and is also definitely a good choice for the plus-size riders. The Diamondback Bicycles Release 2 is designed very uniquely thanks to the level link configuration. The frame is cut from hydroformed aluminum. With the level link suspension, you can enjoy a smooth and very stable riding experience over climbs and descents. Plus, its 29-inch wheels are perfect for tricky trails and paths. The bike gives you 12 speeds. Moreover, the Diamondback Release 2 has Shimano SLX drivetrain components. The braking system features the mechanical disc brakes, which are also excellent at stopping. Its pros include thick tires for stability, excellent craftsmanship, aggressive frame for easy navigation. Its con is, it's quite expensive. Overall, the Diamondback Release 2 mountain bike is capable of taking you places, no matter the toughness. Number 4. Schwinn High Timber Youth and Adult Mountain Bike. The Schwinn High Timber mountain bike comes over a certain liner and crafted from the aluminum frame. The combination of the 18-inch and lightweight aluminum frame with the suspension fork makes the bike a dream to ride. As one of the best mountain bikes, the High Timber bike offers a variety of useful components. The 29-inch wheels are ideal for riders from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. Simply adjust the seat post and you will be good to go. There are 21 speed shifters which can effortlessly change between different gear sets thanks to the rear derailleurs. Moreover, make use of the mechanical disc brakes to stop your bike instantly at any given point. Assembling this bike is quite a breeze and of course simple. With all these components it comes with, the Schwinn Timber's Youth and Adult Mountain Bike offers great value for the money. Its pros include both suited for male and females, lightweight build, and it is easy to assemble. Its con is limited lifetime warranty. Overall, the mountain bike is your mountainside partner if your target is having an easy-to-use rig for your adventures. It doesn't matter who you are, starting off on it is very simple. Number 5. Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Bike. If you are a plus-size person, the Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Bike comes to the rescue. The bike is unique from the rest of the pack thanks to its 4-inch knobby tires. The wheel size is 26 inches. With these tires, you are absolutely guaranteed of stability and efficient rolling on the track. Of course, you will conquer any type of challenging terrain on the spin. That is why the bike is a top performer. The Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Bike comes with a steel frame construction. It's therefore strong and durable, serving you through several seasons in difficult environments. Moreover, the bike operates on disc brakes and does stop instantly. This is exactly what gives you the confidence to keep going on and on. Furthermore, there is a 7-speed gear set which is only common in very high-end mountain bikes. So, you are going to change the gears between the 7 shifters. Also, there is an efficient chain set that is crafted for the task. It is safe, well secured, and positioned such that it cannot pop off when riding on the bike. Its pros are large knobby tires, very durable thanks to steel frame, and powerful brakes. Its cons are heavy bike and sometimes it's hard to maneuver. Overall, the Dolomite is the perfect mountain bike for the heavy guy. Number 6. Huffy Hardtail Mountain Bike. The Hardtail mountain bike from Huffy crowns our list today. The mountain bike comes built on a 17-inch charcoal steel frame while it rides on 26-inch wheels. The bike offers a 21-speed drivetrain suitable for your downhill and uphill climbs and descents effortlessly. Changing between the different gears is a breeze and remains consistent over the course of riding. The bike also comes with knobby tires. The wide tires tear into dirt, bumps, rocks, and roots quite easily while maintaining the balance and ride stability. Included into the design are the linear pull handbrakes. Not the best of the industry, but can still finish the job when handled expertly. It also features a high-quality ATB saddle that is stitched and well padded for ultimate comfort. The seat can be adjusted easily and quickly through the alloy quick release so that you can get your right height. There is an included kickstand for resting your bike along the way. Its pros include, it is strong and durable, easy seat height adjustment, comfortable ride. Its cons are, bad braking system, the gear system is not the best. Overall, it's a decent bike with great performance. I know you loved this video about the best mountain bikes, didn't you? Here are other great videos to enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.